Good morning. My name is Milton Quiros. I'm the Director for International Business Development for AeroVironment Latin America. We are here at FIDAE 2018 in Santiago, Chile. We're showcasing some of our products, starting with the Puma. The Puma is all environment. It can fly for up to 3 hours at a distance of 20 kilometers. With the new long-range antenna, we can go up to 60 kilometers. Below the Puma, you have the Raven. The Raven flies up to 90 minutes at a range of 10 kilometers. And then here at the bottom is the Wasp, also all environment. Can fly for up to 50 minutes with the range of 5 kilometers. What you don't see here are other products like the Snipe, which is our new nano UAS. So we're here at FIDAE, and we look forward to meeting all the customers that are going to come and talk to us. Thank you.